Hey guys! So in the last little bit, I had to organize some data by the month rather than the year. And Excel doesn't really allow you to do that by default. So there are some hacks that I want to show you on how to get that done. So here I have a list of birthdays, and as usual, I am going to create a table out of it. So I'm just going to click here, select one of these, and hit OK. So what you'll notice is once you do that, you're able to sort. And if you sort from oldest to newest, it will of course go by the year. But what about the cases where you just wanted to go by month? Maybe you're making a birthday calendar or something like that. So you actually wanted to organize by the month and the day rather than the year. So how do you do that? There is a really neat formula you can use here. And the way you would apply that is you type in equals text, open a bracket, select this field here, put a comma, and then in the quotation marks, you put in the format that you want. So in this case, I want month, month, day, day, another set of quotation marks, close the bracket, and hit enter. And it will pre-fill everything. So now all I have to do is just click on this arrow here and say A to Z, which is essentially the same as smallest to largest. And here we go. It is all now organized by the month. So now I'm going to show you how you can extract just the day, the month, and the year from any kind of a date. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is type in equals day, open a bracket, and select the location of your data. Close bracket, hit OK. And for month, it's exact same. So equals month, open a bracket. There we go. And then for year, same kind of deal. Here, open a bracket, select your data, close the bracket, and hit enter. And I will leave all of these formulas below this video so you can have your own little reference sheet. I hope that was useful. Let me know how you're going to be using it. If it's birthdays, if it's start dates, or whatever else you're using, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you back next week. See you!